Hello everyone. I welcome you in the session of Fuzzy Set Theory Part 4. This is Swati Nikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. At the end of this session, student can able to understand the concept of fuzzy sets and solve some examples on fuzzy set. Friends, before we start our video, please pause your video for a minute and answer this simple question. If A and B are fuzzy sets on universal set capital X, then define A union B and A intersection B. I think you got your operations, which is A union B at X is equal to maximum of A of X comma B of X, while A intersection B at X is equal to minimum of A of X comma B of X, where A of X and B of X are membership grades. Let us solve an example. If X is equal to set X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6 and set B is equal to 0.9 by X1 plus 0.7 by X2 plus 0.5 by X3 plus 0.2 by X4 plus 0.1 by X5 plus 1 by X6. Then find 0.3 cutoff A, second 0.4 cutoff B bar, third 0.9 cutoff A bar union B bar, fourth 0.7 cutoff A intersection B bar, fifth strong 0.7 cutoff A union B, and the last one, sixth strong 0.2 cutoff B. Answer, I have written set A and B once again here. Now let us calculate 0.3 cutoff A, which is the set of small x belongs to capital X such that mu A at X is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, here we can see the membership grades which are greater than or equal to 0.3. They are 0.6, 0.8, 0.9 and 0.7, and therefore it corresponds to the element x2, x3, x4, x. In order to calculate 0.4 cutoff B bar, we have to calculate B bar of X first, which is 1 minus B of X. So, we have to subtract each membership grade from 1, so that we will get this new set B bar as 0.1 by X1 plus 0.3 by X2 plus 0.5 by X3 plus 0.8 by X4 plus 0.9 by X5 plus 1 by X6. Therefore, 0.4 cutoff B bar is equal to the set of small x belongs to capital X such that mu B bar at X is greater than or equal to 0.4, which is equal to the set of elements x3, x4, x5 and x. Now, let us calculate 0.9 cutoff A bar union B bar. To find this, we have to calculate A bar of X, which is 1 minus A of X. So, we will subtract each membership grade from 1 and hence we will get A bar set as 0.9 by X1 plus 0.4 by X2 plus 0.2 by X3 plus 0.1 by X4 plus 0.3 by X5 plus 0.9 by X6. A bar union B bar is equal to now maximum of A bar of X comma B bar of X. So, A bar union B bar at X is equal to maximum of 0.1 comma 0.9 by X1 plus maximum of 0.3 comma 0.4 by X2 plus maximum of 0.2 comma 0.5 by X3 plus maximum of 0.1 comma 0.8 by X4 plus maximum of 0.3 comma 0.9 by X5 plus maximum of 0.9 comma 1 by X, which is equal to 0.9 by X1 plus 0.4 by X2 plus 0.5 by X3 plus 0.8 by X4 plus 0.9 by X5 plus 1 by X6. Therefore, 0.9 cutoff A bar union B bar is equal to the set of small x belongs to capital X such that mu of A bar union B bar at X is greater than or equal to 0.9, and which is the set corresponding to the gradations greater than or equal to 0.9, that is x1, then x5 and x6. Now, let us calculate 0.7 cutoff A bar. Now let us calculate 0.7 cutoff A intersection B bar. According to the definition, it is minimum of 0.1, 0.1 by x1 plus minimum of 0.6, 0.3 by x2 plus minimum of 0.8, 0.5 by x3 plus minimum of 0.9, 0.8 by x4 plus minimum of 0.7, 0.9 by x5 plus minimum of 0.1, 1 by x6, which is equal to 0.1 by x1 plus 0.3 by x2 plus 0.5 by x3 plus 0.8 by x4 plus 0.7 by x5 plus 0.1 by x6. Therefore, 0.7 cutoff A intersection B bar is equal to those x belongs to capital X such that mu of A intersection B bar at x is greater than or equal to 0.7. So, the membership grades greater than or equal to 0.7 are 0.8 and 0.7 itself. So, the set is x4, x5. Next is strong 0.7 cutoff A union B. Next is strong 0.7 cutoff A union B. A union B at x is equal to maximum of A of x, B of x. So, A union B of x at x is equal to maximum of 0.1, 0.9 by x1 plus maximum of 0.6, 0.7 by x2 plus maximum of 0.8, 0.5 by x3 plus maximum of 0.9, 0.2 by x4 plus maximum of 0.7, 0.1 by x5 plus maximum of 0.1, 0 by x6, which is equal to 0.9 by x1 plus 0.7 by x2 plus 0.8 by x3 plus 0.9 by x4 plus 0.7 by x5 plus 0.1 by x6. Therefore, strong 0.7 cutoff A union B is equal to small x belongs to capital X such that mu of A union B at x is strictly greater than 0.7. That is the set x1, x3, x4, and the last one is strong 0.2 cutoff B. So, B set is this one. Strong 0.2 cutoff B is x belongs to x such that mu B at x is strictly greater than 0.2. So, the membership grade which are strictly greater than 0.2 are 0.9, 0.7, 0.5 and 1, which corresponds to the elements x1, x2, x3 and x6. Let us have one more example. Example number 2. If x is the set of elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A and B are fuzzy sets given by A of x is equal to 2x upon x plus 5 and B of x is equal to x upon x plus 1, then find fuzzy sets A union B, A intersection B and A by B, where A of x is given as 2x upon x plus 5 and B of x is x upon x plus 1. Let us calculate A and B sets separately by using these two definitions, where we have to substitute the value of x 0 to 5 1 by 1. So, if we put 0 in place of x in the definition of A of x, we will get 0 by 0 plus. Now, put x is equal to 1 so that we will get 0.3333 by 1 plus for x is equal to 2 it is 0.5714 by 2 plus for x is equal to 3 membership grade is 0.75. For x is equal to 4 A of x is 0.8889 plus for x is equal to 5 A of x is 1, and for set B we need to calculate similarly the fuzzy set as for x equal to 0 B of x is 0, for x is equal to 1 B of x is 0.5, for x is equal to 2 B of x is 0.6667 plus for x is equal to 3 B of x is 0.75 plus for x is equal to 4 B of x is 0.8 and plus for x is equal to 5 B of x is 0.8333. Now let us calculate the required values. A union B is equal to maximum of A of x comma B of x. Hence, we will calculate the maximum gradation of both the sets with the respective elements. That is, for 0, it is maximum of 0 comma 0 plus For 1, compare the membership grade of 1 from both the sets and take their maximum value. So we have to adapt the same procedure for all the elements, and hence we will get A union B at x is equal to 0 by 0 plus 0.5 by 1 plus 0.6667 by 2 plus 0.75 by 3 plus 0.8889 by 4 plus 1 by 5. We need to get second example. A intersection B at x is equal to minimum of A of x comma B of x. So in the same line we will calculate minimum of gradations from both the sets with the respective elements. For 0 it is minimum of 0 comma 0. Like that we have to proceed for each element, and hence we get the set A intersection B at x is equal to 0 by 0 plus 0.3333 by 1 plus 0.5714 by 2 plus 0.75 by 3 plus 0.8 by 4 plus 0.8333 by 5. Last one is A by B. According to the definition, it is A intersection B bar at x. So let us calculate B bar of x as 1 minus B of x, which is 1 by 0 plus 0.5 by 1 plus 0.3333 by 2 plus 0.25 by 3 plus 0.2 by 4 plus 0.1667 by 5. Therefore, A by B at x is equal to A intersection B bar at x is equal to minimum of A of x comma B bar of x. So, we will calculate minimum of membership grade of each point, and that will give the final answer as 1 by 0 plus 0.3333 by 1 plus 0.333 by 2 plus 0.25 by 3 plus 0.2 by 4 plus 0.1667 by 5. I have referred this textbook. Thank you so much.